Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic performance cars of the modern era, the 2026 Audi R8. A supercar that's always managed to blend exotic looks, daily usability, and blistering performance. The new R8 pushes the envelope even further. Let's break it all down. The interior, the exterior, performance numbers, and of course pricing. This is a car you'll want to know everything about. So first, let's talk about the visual impact. The exterior of the 2026 Audi R8 is bold, futuristic and aggressive, but without losing that distinct Audi refinement. The front fascia has been redesigned with sharper, more angular lines, and a new single-frame grille that's wider and more pronounced. Flanking that are new matrix-LED headlights with optional laser light technology that gives the car a predator-like gaze. Audi has clearly leaned into a more athletic stance with larger side intakes, a more sculpted hood, and a lower, more assertive ride height. The side profile is unmistakably R8, with that strong shoulder line and signature side blade. However, for 2026, the side blades have been split into two parts for better airflow and to give the car a more dynamic look. The new 20 and 21-inch forged alloy wheels fill out the wheel arches beautifully and are wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport. For S tires as standard, round back, the changes are equally exciting. A redesigned rear diffuser, old tail lamps, and an active rear wing that deploys at speed for added downforce. It's not overdone. It's Audi minimalism fused with raw performance. Whether you're parked in a driveway or blasting down the highway, this car screams presence. But the 2026 Audi R8 isn't just about turning heads. Step inside. You're greeted with an interior that's equally sophisticated and driver-focused. Audi has taken their virtual cockpit to the next level. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is sharper, faster, and fully customizable, letting you toggle between navigation, performance data, and infotainment with zero lag. Everything is angled toward the driver, giving the feel of a true cockpit. The steering wheel is now a flat bottom, multifunction unit wrapped in Alcantara or premium Napa leather, depending on your trim. Integrated buttons give you control over drive modes, launch control, and performance settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The center console is clean and minimalist. Most controls are now touch-based or integrated into the voice-responsive infotainment system. Audi didn't cut corners on materials either. Expect fine contrast stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, and even optional ceramic inserts. The seats are 18-way adjustable sport buckets with optional heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Yes, in a supercar. Audi is clearly aiming for that balance of comfort and performance, making the R8 as suitable for cross-country road trips as it is for track days. Tech-wise, the 2026 R8 packs wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a Bang & Olufsen 13-speaker surround sound system, and a heads-up display, a first for the R8. You also get advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, and a semi-autonomous parking system. Audi wants this car to be usable every day, and they've achieved it without compromise. Now let's talk about what really matters: performance. The 2026 R8 is available in two main variants: the standard V10 Performance Quattro and the all-new R8 e-tron GT, which marks Audi's transition into electrified supercars. Let's start with the classic V10, this naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 now puts out 640 horsepower and 428 pounds-ft of torque. Thanks to refined engine tuning and lightweight engineering, mated to a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch transmission, the car rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds and reaches a top speed of 206 miles per hour. Power delivery is instant and linear. You won't find any turbo lag here. A Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures maximum grip in all conditions, and thanks to an updated magnetic ride suspension system, handling is razor sharp without being punishing on imperfect roads. The R8's mid-engine layout provides excellent balance. While carbon ceramic brakes come standard on performance trims, ensuring the car stops as quickly as it goes, Now, for the exciting new addition, the R8 e-tron GT. This is Audi's first fully electric R8, and it's an absolute beast. Dual electric motors produce a combined 850 horsepower and 730 pounds-ft of torque. 0 to 60, just 2.3 seconds. That's hypercar territory. With a 100 kilowatt-hours battery pack, an 800-volt charging architecture, offers up to 300 miles of range, and can recharge from 10 to 80%. In under 20 minutes with a DC fast charger, Audi has done a stellar job tuning the electric drivetrain to maintain the soul of the R8. The steering is direct. The chassis communicates well, and with a synthetic engine note pumped through the cabin, you'd still get that emotional connection. For many, the e-tron GT version might just be the perfect blend of performance, sustainability, and luxury. Now, let's get into pricing. The 2026 Audi R8 V10 Performance Quattro starts at around $175,000. Depending on your chosen options and trim level, expect to pay closer to $195,000 if you go all out with carbon fiber packages, upgraded interior materials, and dynamic steering. As for the R8 Audi e-tron GT, pricing starts at $210,000. Yes, it's a premium, but considering the performance you're getting, it's well within the ballpark for a supercar that also doubles as an everyday. Audi is also offering a special edition 1 trim limited to just 250 units globally. It comes with exclusive paint finishes, numbered badging, and a unique interior package. If you're a collector or simply want something truly unique, this might be worth looking into, though it'll cost you north of $230. To sum it all up, the 2026 Audi R8 continues to do what it's always done best: blend exotic car performance with daily usability, wrapped in a design that manages to look futuristic without losing that timeless Audi elegance. Whether you go for the high-revving V10 or the all-electric e-tron GT, you're getting a supercar that delivers on every level: design, power, comfort, and technology.